Letter G formation and hard sound. The letter G makes a hard sound G when it is followed by A, O, or U. But there are always exceptions. We will talk about them later. This letter is called G, capital letter and small letter. G is the 7th letter of the alphabet, and this is how it is formed. Letter G hard sound is G, as heard at the beginning of these words. Gap, go, gut. It's time for what do you see? Here are 5 pictures. Do you see any picture that starts with a G sound? I see garlic. I see a goat. And I also see goggles.